Hello everyone, Fabiha here, and today's video is a part of the DIY Christmas home decor hop organized by Collab. Make sure you hop along with us and don't miss out on any of the 20 DIY Christmas home decor ideas that the participants has to offer. So for today's hop, I was assigned to create a Christmas shadow box, and here's my first attempt ever at creating a Christmas shadow box. I hope you like it, guys. So getting on to the project, I started off with a black box cover and I decorated it into a shadow box. So these are the main elements that I'm going to be using today to decorate the box. I started off by pre-cutting these beautiful pattern papers from Crafting Nest, a Bangladeshi craft shop. And I'm going to be using this paper for the background. But before attaching the wallpaper, I'm priming the whole box and all the elements with white gesso. Now it's time to add a generous amount of glue to attach the wallpapers. Before attaching the sides, I decided to distress the edges of the sides with vintage photo distress oxide ink. I wanted to give the walls a more distressed kind of look. That's why I'm using some brown acrylic paint to add some shades here and there. Now it's texture time. I'm using an ITD collection brick stencil to add some texture to the background. As for the paste, it's a homemade paste that I've created specially for this project. To add more textures to the brick wall, I'm adding some Lindy's embossing powder while the paste is still wet. I'm really loving how the background turned out with all the textures and the color. Now it's time to color the elements. I'm using the same brick red color and also adding some browns here and there. Keeping up with the distress theme, I'm adding some distress oxide inks to distress the gift boxes too. As the main focal point of today's project, I decided to darken the edges of the Santa with a gray marker. Now it's time to highlight a few details with the Art Alchemy waxes. Adding some white snows and spatters here and there to add more texture to the background and the elements. Now it's time to bring everything together by gluing down the elements. I decided to add some twigs to create a frame around the border. I don't think a Christmas home decor is complete without some pine trees and Christmas stockings. Finally, finishing off the project by adding some cotton snows around the chimney. So here's the final look of today's project. I hope you like it, and if you did, please comment down below and like this video and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Last but not the least, as this video is a part of the hop, make sure you check out the description box to see the link of the next channel that you will be hopping along. And make sure you hop along all of the projects, guys, because all of the projects are unique and you must see them. So thank you again for watching. Bye bye.